Storm Caetano. After falling on Brittany and Normandy, the first snowflakes arrive in Paris. This morning, Storm Caetano passed through Brittany and Normandy, making driving conditions difficult. As announced by Météo France, the first snowflakes are gradually replacing the rain in the Paris region. Large flakes that are not yet sticking to the ground began to fall. In Île-de-France, showers of 1 to 5 centimeter of snow are expected, and up to 10 centimeter locally in the south of the region. Weather conditions which have forced the police prefecture to reduce the traffic speed by 20 km per hour. From 11 a.m., trucks weighing more than 7.5 tons will not be able to overtake on major roads. This morning, the first snowflakes fell on Thursday morning in Calvados and Ille-et-Vilaine, where Rennes schoolchildren went to class. This storm will cross France from west to east and cause an early winter episode that is significant enough to make driving conditions difficult in the regions concerned, Météo France indicates on its website. Difficult driving conditions, with ongoing maintenance on the A84 between Calvados and the English Channel, and further west towards Brittany. In Orne, since this morning, there have been 4 accidents, fortunately not serious on the highway where the 30 salters are active.